Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python in your Windows. Without further ado, let's get down to business. Click on your favorite browser, in my case which is Chrome, and type in python.org in it. Python.org in it. The first one which pops up, and wait for a second for the site to load. There you go. It's almost loaded. Yeah. Then go to downloads, and you can see there are two versions of Python which is ready to be downloaded. It's 3.6.5 and 2.7.14. In our all tutorials, we're gonna use like 3.6. So I'll go with Python 3.6. Click on it, and it will start downloading. And 3, 2, 1. That's it. It's downloaded. Click on the exe. It should be opening any minute now. And there you go, it's open. And as you can see, there are two options for you, which is install now and custom installation. And at the bottom you can see a small prompt showing like add Python 3.6 to path. Click on that and click on custom installation. Make sure everything is ticked off. Click on next, and make sure you also tick off install for all users, and make sure to remove this Python file x86 from the install location, and click on install and click on yes for this prompt. That's it guys. Python is being installed in your PC. It might take a couple of minutes based on your system's capacity. Well, I fast forwarded a bit so you guys might not wait a bit longer. As you can see, Python has been successfully installed in your PC now. Click on this close and go to start, and you can find ideally here. Click on that. This is your Python interpreter which we're going to be using throughout this series. Now let's type ending hello world to the screen. There you go, hello world. Hit enter, and you can see hello world has been printed to the screen. If you want to run this Python from the command prompt, just hit Windows R key and type cmd in it and hit enter, and you can see the terminal opens up. And now hit Python, and there you can see Python has been opened. The three arrow keys indicate that Python is ready to interpret your code. Then hit hello world. That's it. Yes, you can see it compiles hello world. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.